Stephen Hawking, people say you basically figured out how the universe ends. Can I ask you a few questions?
Sure. Though I should warn you, the answer is depressing.
Okay, so I heard you basically told Einstein he was wrong. Is that true?
In a specific sense, yes. His equations insisted the universe had to be either expanding or contracting. He thought that was embarrassing, so he added a cosmological constant to hold it still. It was wrong. The universe is expanding, and the expansion is accelerating, which means eventually every galaxy outside our local group will be moving away from us faster than light, and the observable universe will just shrink down to nothing visible. You won't be able to see where you came from.
Dang. Okay, I heard you said time travel is actually possible. Someone told me you had a party for time travelers and nobody showed up.
I did. I sent the invitations out after the party, so only people from the future could have received them. Nobody came. That's probably fine. It likely means closed time-like curves require an energy density that would collapse space-time locally before you could use them. The math permits it, but the universe seems to be charging a fee nobody can pay. Think of it as a bouncer made of physics.
Okay, Wild One. I heard you said aliens are definitely real, but we should not contact them. Did you actually say that?
Roughly. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across and contains something like 2 trillion galaxies. The prior probability that we are the only self-replicating information processing chemistry experiment is essentially zero. The concerning part is the Fermi paradox. If civilizations are common, the silence is the data. The most statistically comfortable explanation is that civilizations which reach the capacity to communicate across interstellar distances tend not to persist long enough to be heard. We should probably take that seriously as a category of evidence about our own situation.
Seriously? I heard you said God didn't make the Big Bang happen, that there was literally no room for God. What does that even mean?
Time is a property of the universe, not a container it sits inside. Before the Big Bang, the word before has no referent. There is no prior moment for a cause to occupy. In imaginary time, the boundary of the universe is simply closed, like the surface of a sphere. There is no edge, no moment of creation, no place for an initial cause to stand. The question of what happened before the Big Bang is like asking what is south of the South Pole.
That is... okay, but something had to initiate the singularity. Logically, a universe that begins requires a beginner. The Big Bang is proof of a creator, right?
In imaginary time, the universe has no boundary, which means it has no beginning, which means there is no initial moment for a creator to act upon. And imaginary time is not a rhetorical device. It is the coordinate system in which the path integral formulation of quantum gravity is mathematically well defined.
Did he just...
He'll be fine, probably.
And what about the island?